Hi everyone, Chris from internalpowertraining.com and welcome to this course called Nei Gong. Nei Gong is a series of exercises from the Chinese internal arts that are very akin to Qi Gong. However, they do differ slightly in so much as Qi Gong is energetic work. Nei Gong is an overarching term for internal work. I've been studying Chinese internal arts now for about 15 years and martial arts since I was 7 years old. And these exercises really do transform the body and also help with your breathing and your energy levels throughout the day. They are designed and inserted into the Chinese internal martial arts to enable practitioners to remain aligned and strong throughout their practice, but remain soft. In this course, you're going to be learning 8 different exercises taken from Xing Yi, Gua and Tai Ji, the 3 main internal arts. And by the end of the course, you'll be able to perform all 8 in their standard form as well as with variations. So without further ado, let's get on with the training and let's look at an overview of what Nei Gong actually is.